Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a dotted line box in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation with many slides. Now I make dotted line box in this presentation. At first, I have to go shape option. Then you can see here are a box or square shape. Now I draw this square shape, then select this shape, then go to show or hide format style option. Now you can see here are fill option. Now I off this fill option, then I press border. Now click this borders drop down menu and choose dotted border. Now I increase this border white to 1 pt to 5 pt, then press enter. Now click outside of this box. Now you can see I make a dotted line box in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.